The break-in phase of an engine entails the settling of critical components, which can lead to the generation of wear debris that negatively impacts performance. Addressing these concerns early is crucial to preventing long-term complications. During the initial driving phase, the production of wear particles peaks, underscoring the need for protective measures. Engaging in proper maintenance during this period significantly boosts engine reliability. Many vehicle owners rely heavily on their manual's guidance regarding oil change intervals. However, these recommendations often favor marketing over optimal engine care, potentially resulting in increased wear. Failing to change the oil promptly during the break-in period can allow wear debris to inflict serious long-term damage. It's vital to comprehend the risks associated with delaying maintenance. Experts consistently stress the necessity of early oil changes, independent of manual suggestions. Real-world data aligns with this perspective, demonstrating the advantages of proactive maintenance. While oil filters play a role in engine care, they are not infallible and may fail to capture all harmful particles produced during the break-in phase. Understanding these limitations equips drivers to make better maintenance decisions. Even with modern advancements, engines still produce wear debris during the break-in period, emphasizing the need for early maintenance. Tighter tolerances and synthetic oils do not negate the necessity for proactive care. Although skipping the initial oil change might appear convenient, it can lead to accelerated wear and diminished engine efficiency. Prolonged neglect may result in costly repairs and a decrease in vehicle value. Changing your oil after just 500 miles is a critical step in protecting new engines. This practice effectively removes harmful wear debris that accumulates during the early operational phase. Identifying early warning signs of engine stress is essential in averting costly repairs. Monitoring oil condition, engine noises, and dashboard indicators plays a vital role in proactive maintenance. When contemplating oil changes, individuals face the decision between DIY and professional services, each with its benefits and drawbacks. While DIY allows for control and cost savings, professionals offer expertise and can uncover potential issues. Establishing good maintenance habits from the outset is fundamental for the long-term health of your vehicle. Regular inspections, fluid checks, and seasonal maintenance significantly extend the lifespan of your car. Modern engines are equipped with advanced technology that enhances performance. However, they require diligent maintenance to prevent complications. Recognizing these requirements is critical for ensuring long-term vehicle health. Dispelling myths surrounding new cars is key to effective maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern vehicles still necessitate regular checks to maintain optimal performance. Oil analysis emerges as an essential tool in preserving engine health. It enables early identification of issues, facilitating proactive measures that can prevent costly repairs in the future.